Haojin, as one of the largest exporters of motorcycle industrial products in China, in more than 20 years, it has won nearly 100 honorary titles. The products are exported to more than 50 countries and regions at home and abroad, among which Haojin ranked top among the exporters in the same industry in more than 30 countries and regions. And it is an export brand under the key support of the Ministry of Commerce. The strong technical strength shows the confidence of the first-class brand. In 2014, Haojin Motorcycle established its own technical testing center, covering a total area of 10,000 square meters, with more than 60 sets of various high-precision testing equipment, and a total asset value of about 200 million yuan. The testing center has the whole vehicle performance matching laboratory, with 50cc to 700cc displacement of various types of engine performance, durability testing, air filter test room, and dozens of high-precision technology. Haojin has the industry's first-class, multifunctional professional test site, can simulate a variety of real environment and road conditions. From the finished product quality inspection to the final test ride experience, it realized a full range of testing. With durability and convenience as the product concept, Haojin has committed to producing products with more convenient use, longer service life, and longer driving distance for consumers, whether it is for carrying goods or people, or for walking and leisure. The convenience that Haojin motorcycles bring to consumers can be found everywhere. Quality is the eternal support point. For this reason, the International First-Class Intelligent Production Line Matrix came into being. Haojin always upholds the production concept of not accepting defective products, not manufacturing defective products, and not transmitting defective products. From the purchase of parts, to the R&D and production of engine, to the assembly and testing technology of the whole motorcycle, through the excellent hardware support equipment, reasonable and effective management methods, and the perfect cooperation of highly skilled operators, making the intelligent manufacturing becomes the norm for high quality and high efficiency production of various models, so as to reach the annual production capacity of 1 million motorcycles. Haojin Motorcycle brings together dozens of senior technical personnel in the industry, hundreds of R&D personnel, with more than 190 patented technologies. From the starting point of demand, we develop products with the best using experience. To be the motorcycle with the best assembly quality in China's motorcycle manufacturing industry is the common pursuit of every Haojin people. Bring together first-class talents, create first-class environment, forge first-class enterprise, and welcome customers from all over the world. Haojin, the shining pearl on the map of the world motorcycle industry.